What Yellow Truck Coffee Company is about is actually mobilizing a group of people to get into the community and give back. So this morning we're at New Hanover High School, and it's been a difficult week here at New Hanover, and we're out serving coffee to the administrators and teachers and staff. We're saying thank you to a group of people who probably feel under-championed, maybe even underappreciated. And so as the Yellow Truck Coffee Company, we're getting out in all sorts of venues all around the city just to say thank you. So really excited to be here this morning, excited about what we're doing, and just bringing a cup of coffee, a cup of joy, a cup of hope to the people around us.